Hello, today I'll be talking about quantitative research. Quantitative research involves a researcher gathering data from a lot more people, however the depth of the information is nowhere near as detailed as qualitative research, as the method used in collecting quantitative research involves things like surveys and questionnaires, so the results collected can be numerical and put into graphs. There are many different ways to collect quantitative data. One of those ways is through laboratory-based experiments. This type of experiment is conducted in a lab, as it will usually include some sort of high-tech, expensive equipment in order to gather data or results. An example of this may be using speed gates in order to test the speed of female British gymnasts as they approach vault to compare who is the fastest in the team. Advantages of this type of data is that it often use high-quality technical equipment, meaning results will be accurate and precise, and data is collected in a controlled environment. The disadvantage of this is that it is not a natural environment for participants to be performing in, meaning it could affect their results, and that equipment used is very expensive, and not everyone will have access to this equipment, and they also won't have access to a lab or the funds to be able to hire a lab. Another type is field-based experiment. This means that experiments will be conducted, however, instead of being done in a lab, the experiments will take place in an environment that participants are used to performing in. An example of this could be if a group of female British gymnasts were tested on their performance on the floor, if they are put under pressure by having an audience literally shouting and cheering, putting under pressure. The advantages of this is that it is more natural setting for participants, so validity will increase, as their results are more likely to be better as they know the environment that they're working in. And that another advantage is that it is more accessible and likely to be cheap or have zero cost at all. Disadvantages of this, however, are that it's done outside, meaning environmental factors could affect results, such as weather or public interfering with the participants. Another disadvantage is that the access to high-tech, accurate equipment is decreased, meaning that the results may not be as accurate as lab-based experiments. Another type is questionnaire. Now, a questionnaire is a set of written questions with a choice of answers, usually of the purposes of the survey or statistical study. Advantages of a questionnaire are that lots of people's data can be collected without the researcher having to directly ask, which saves a lot of time and money. Another advantage is that people all around the country or even the world's data can be gathered, as they don't need to leave their homes and can be filled out in their homes and then posted to wherever they need to be posted to, which would usually be where the research is taking place. Disadvantages of this, however, are that if only closed questions are asked in the questionnaire, only a certain degree of detail can be collected from the participants. It also means that people may not answer truthfully to make themselves look better. Observations are also a qualitative data collection method, whereby behaviours are observed and recorded, usually with no deliberate manipulation of variables, which makes it different to a true experiment. For example, if a Team GB has heard about a new young female gymnast and its talent, they might go and observe them in the next competition without them knowing, to see what they are like and if they are talented enough to become a Team GB gymnast. Positives of this are that it lets participants perform in observations that are used to give them a better chance of performing well if they're in an environment that they know and they're used to. Another positive is that not much training needs to be done by a researcher to observe the participant, as all they need to do is watch the participant and report what they see. The disadvantages of that, however, are that it is very subjective, as it is merely the opinions of one researcher watching them, and they may have different opinions to another researcher if they were to be watching the participant. Another disadvantage is that it can be time consuming, as they may need to observe the participant on more than one occasion, and if they're only performing once or twice a week, it could last a very long time. I will now be talking about different experiment designs. The three I'll be talking to you about are independent groups, repeated measures, and matched pairs. Independent groups. This is a type of experiment design where two separate random groups of people are used and tested in two different conditions, and each group's performance in each different condition is compared. Repeated measures. This is another type of experiment design where another random group of participants are used and tested in two separate conditions. Matched pairs is where there are two different groups who take part in two different conditions, but with one of the conditions being manipulated, so the researchers will compare the data to see if the manipulation has an effect on the dependent variable.